Right now, there is a different level of hype around the 65% layout of keyboards. Kreo launched their Hive 65. Inside, you get the keyboard wrapped up, plus all the basic accessories like a keycap puller, switch puller, extra switches, detachable Type A to Type C cable, user manual, and some stickers. The detachable cable definitely helps with portability. Design-wise, the keyboard has a true 65% compact layout. The metal volume knob is honestly a delight. About the build quality, it's mostly plastic, but it actually feels sturdy. You get Kreo's Prelude, the purple linear switches. I genuinely liked its sound profile. Plus, the whole PCB is hot swappable. The RGB lighting is just fun. The double shot ABS keycaps means the characters won't fade easily either. As for the software, it's actually simple and user friendly. On the back, you get dual level adjustable feet for typing angle, rubber grips to avoid slipping. It's 2900 rupees and you can use Shiva150 coupon code for extra discount. Subscribe for more real, no nonsense hardware reviews.